Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do this cute fruit heart-shaped pastry together. So let's start it. So we're going to do the center first. For the center, we need to do 16 chain first. We hold our yarn like this, fold it, and put our hook in, yarn over here, and then fasten this end. We're going to do 60 chain first. Yarn over, this is the first chain, and we need to do 60 in total. So after the 60 chain, we put our hook into the third stitch from our hook. This one, we yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through first 2 loops, then 2 loops. And then for this round, we are going to repeat 1 stitch, 1 double crochet to the end. We just yarn over, put our hook into the next stitch, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. Then we're just going to repeat it to the end, 1 stitch, 1 double crochet. After finishing the very last double crochet, we yarn over 1 chain and then we snip off. We tie them and use a hot glue to glue them on the back. For the outside, we need to change our yarn color and hold our yarn like this, put our hook in, yarn over here, and then fasten this part. For this one, we need to do 39 chain first. This is the first chain, and we need to do 39 in total. The same here, we yarn over first, and then put our hook into the third chain from our hook. This stitch, we yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over here, then yarn over, go through first 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. This is a double crochet, and then we need to crochet 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, and we need to crochet 37 double crochet in total. After the very last double crochet, we yarn over here and then snip off. The same, we tie it first and then use a hot glue to glue it on the back. For the brown part, we hold our yarn like this and then put our hook in, yarn over here, fasten this part. In here, we need to do 8 chain. After the 8 chain, we put our hook into the second stitch from our hook, put our hook in, yarn over here, then yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is a single crochet, and then we need to do 5 more single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. After the 6 single crochet in total, and we have 1 stitch left. For this stitch, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We do 1 chain here, and same snip off, we tie them, and use a hot glue to glue it on the back. For the leaf, same here, we hold our yarn like this, and then put our hook in, yarn over, fasten this part. For the leaf, we need to do 7 chain at the very first. And then in the second stitch from our hook, we put our hook in, yarn over, then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then in the next stitch is a single crochet, we put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Then for the following 2 stitches are half double crochet, we yarn over, we put our hook in, then yarn over here, yarn over, go through 3 loops on our hook. We repeat it 1 more time on our next stitch, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, then yarn over, go through 3 loops at once. Then is another single crochet, we put our hook into the next stitch, yarn over here, then yarn over, go through 2 loops. For our very last stitch, we put our hook in, yarn over here, for our hook directly to do a slip stitch, and then we do 1 chain. In the same stitch, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do another slip stitch. Then after crocheting this round, we need to crochet back, crochet on this part. Our very first stitch is a single crochet. We put our hook into the next stitch, like this, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then is 2 half double crochet, 1 stitch, 1 half double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook into the next stitch, and put this little end on top of our hook to carry it. yarn over here, yarn over, go through 3 loops at once. Repeat it one more time on our next stitch. Yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over here, go through 3 loops at once. Then is a single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over here, then yarn over, go through 2 loops. For right last stitch is a slip stitch. We put our hook in, yarn over here, then pull our hook directly with 1 chain, and then we snip off. Then we are going to put all of them together, and for the inside we need to fold it like this first. For this one, we fold it one more time, then like this. We fold about this long. And same for this side. Fold it in half, and then fold it in half once again, like this. We need to put hot glue on both of this side, and then just do something like this. Now I finish the inside, and then we just glue the outside together, just like this. Then we just glue the stem and the leaf together. So that is about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye.